Hello everyone. Many people have asked me to make a video about Hmong shaman gaining Gayai so they can have a better understanding. They appreciate when I explain things because it helps them feel at ease and at peace. As a Hmong shaman, our journey is never easy as people might think. There are many factors that comes into play. All my videos will be for educational purposes, for those who want to listen, are seeking for help, or want to gain knowledge for their own reasons. Everything I talk about comes from my own knowledge, personal experiences, and what I've learned from my corning and mentor. It might be similar or different from others, and that's totally okay. This is my personal journey, not anyone else's. If it resonates with you, take it. If not, feel free to let it go. Remember, everything starts within you.